Okay, welcome to this video from 10 Locksmiths. So we're at a job in Queensland, and I just thought I'd show you what we're going to do is make keys to a XR6. So this is the key machine that we use, and we'll cut a key to code, and then we'll come along and open up the car, put the car on the battery charger, and we're basically going to program in a new key. So at the moment it's just a blank, well, it's a key that's been cut, so we've got the key code, and I've just programmed in the transponder. So what we're going to do is we're also going to upgrade the customer so he has the remote control and the flip key. So for an extra $40 he's going to get a flip key that he can use with the remote control all built into one, and then I'm going to give him just a standard second key. So if you want keys made to your Ford Falcon, it's going to cost $260, and for an extra $40 I remove the extra key that you would have got, and I provide you with a flip key and a remote control. So I've already programmed this in, so let's just get started. And what we're going to do is enroll the remote control now. So this is something that you can do if you've still got a key. So basically what we'll do is we'll turn it to the reds. I'm going to just hold the transponder there for a second. The light's going to go out, and I'm going to press the demister 3 times. I don't think I did it quite quick enough, so we will do it again. Turn it on. 1, 2, 3. I'm just not doing it quick enough and filming it at the same time, but that's the procedure. So just put it there, turn the key on, and press the demister 3 times, and then press one of the buttons on the remote control to program it in. And that is it. Thanks for watching.